Hey guys, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see a new problem in doubly linked list where our aim is to print the all nodes of list. So basically we need to print the 12, then 99, then 37, then 5 and 25. So what should be our logic? So we'll start from the head node, which is 12, and we'll print the node, and then we'll again go to next node. Then again we'll print the 99 and we'll increase the node by one node. And so we'll increase the node by one node and we'll print that element. And then if we do this, so at the last we'll reach when node will be null, right? Because the node of next is null for 25. So now node will be null. And whenever node will be null, we'll skip the function, right? So that would be our logic. So now let's see. So here I have the print list function, and I'm checking that if node equals to null, it means there is no list. So in this case I will simply return null. Sorry, return. I won't do anything because the type is void. Else what I will do, I will check while node is not null, and then print the data and do node equals to node of next, and then at the last you can print the new line, right? So this is optional. If you want, you can do, else there is no need. So let me show you by debugging. So in this case what will happen, that our node is null, so it will simply return that it won't do anything. Now we inserted the first element and then again we are checking. So now node is not null, so in this case it will print the 12. So I will show you here. Yes, so it has printed 12 and it will go in node of next. So now because there was only one node, so now node is null, right? So in this case it won't do anything and it will go out of the loop, and now it will just print the single line, the new line, right? And now I inserted the 4 element more, so now I have 5 element. So again it will go here, it will check, yes, it will print 12, then again it will go in node of next, again it will print items, again it will print 5 and then 25, and now we have node equals to null. So in this case it will go out of the loop, and that's it, right? So this is how we can print the all elements of doubly linked list, and the complexity is big of n because obviously we need to print the whole list to print the all element. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and if you have any doubts or if you understood the problem, so please write in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.